Welcome to our tutorial on how to start a video call on Messenger. In this updated version, we will walk you through the simple steps to begin a video call with your contacts. First, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, navigate to the chat with the contact you wish to call. You can either search for their name in the search bar or scroll through your list of conversations. Now, look for the video icon located at the top right corner of the chat. It resembles a video camera. Tap on this icon to initiate the video call. Once you tap the video icon, Messenger will begin connecting the call. Wait for the recipient to answer and you will be connected for a face-to-face conversation. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can start a video call on Messenger and stay connected with your friends and family. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy video calling!